Howdy boys and girls, I got myself some Trident Z Royal Elite memory stick. Been a while since I made a video. God knows when I'll upload this, but I'm gonna try to stick with the least editing needed. These are the dims. Don't take my serial number, please. Just be nice people, okay? And this is what it looks like on my wide angle lens. I got a little, that's what my gimbal looks like. 4000 c14 Royal sticks, and these are the timings. My wide angle lens is kind of booty, but this lens looks better. Anyway, let's open this up, shall we? Why did I purchase this? Because these are the last best DDR4 Sammy Bdie sticks you can get. Now, can you get this level of timings on something cheaper? Probably. And I know that if I was frustrated, $100 more for a kit that does a little bit more while you're tweaking the memory is worth it in my opinion. Also, I rather buy it now while it's an option rather than complain about it in the future when it isn't an option and I can't get it. So it is what it is. I was waiting for a Boulder Lake and a 9.9, and I was hoping that the DDR5 would be worth it, but as anybody who's actually watching this channel with a brain knows, it's not. I've been running 4500 megahertz CL18 on my 10900K for a while now, and I plan to be running this at 4600 megahertz, and I could boot 4600 megahertz on my current 10900K and on my Rev B sticks, but I'll have you know, my timings are atrocious, and we're trying to stay as far away from Zen as possible. For all of those that know my Zen suffering, it was terrible, and for all those that went through the same, I feel bad for you. For all of those who think that I'm I don't know, liar, and there's no way that Zen is wrong and Linus is right, there can't be any issues. So to you, God bless, alright? I know many people with the USB issues. You can take your 10% multi-core performance decrease on Windows 11 day one and go away, alright? Have fun. In esports game, the performance could be down 5 to 15%. Oh, God bless your soul, esports kid. Okay, because you paid more for problems. Intel doesn't have that issue. These are the sticks, and that, my friend, looks very nice. Dude, this is nice. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a little hype. Yeah, I'm a little hype. This is what the stick looks like. It's got some weight to it. Honestly, the weight is pretty much the same as my EK water block RAM sticks. The heatsink is probably plastic, somebody told me. I mean, that's somebody who already has these sticks. But I'm hoping I got a good bin. I feel the plastic on these, so I will have to peel that off. And I am gonna have to get a RAM fan. And you can see the pads. I don't know how visible that is. It looks very shiny. You know, being a computer guy, I assume holding these sticks is what women feel like when they hold jewelry, because I'm not a guy that cares about jewelry. I don't have ears pierced. I'm just a normal guy. But this is some jewelry, okay? This is some iced out RAM kit. I'm having too much fun, man. I'm really having too much fun. These look really nice. But yeah, you don't really buy these for how they look. You buy them because of the bin. To those of you that want to get these, you can get these in Neos. They all come all black and then RGB little bar over here. You can get them in Ripjaws, and Ripjaws have no LEDs at all. The LEDs actually kind of heat it up a little bit more. And they come in regular Royals, which would be silver like this, regular RGB bar, and they come in gold Royals. The only difference between those is this part isn't super blingy, and you don't have these weird, ice crack looking fractures. But yeah, so we're gonna go install this. I think I'm gonna install this in my... The thing is, I can install this in my other 10900K on the Asus motherboard and see how it performs, and then not touch my main system at all right now. Then I know which one is the better 10900K, or I just install this in my computer right now. But we're gonna go install on my test bed. Alright, so this is my EK Monarch RAM, the water block, and these are 2x32. This is Rev B, and this is 4000 megahertz, 14 2x16 gigabyte Sammy Bdie bin kit. These are not like these chips will ever die, but I don't plan on deliting it or anything. But I am going to see what temperatures I can get with just leaving this little plastic stuff on, little wrapping. But to be honest, that might be stupid because I should take it off, as you can see. But if I leave this on and the temperature is still fine, I want to like tape on some fan to blow it down, but I guess I should take them off. because we want all the cooling we can get. But yeah, I just wanted to show these side by side before I put it in my case. These got some weight to them. These are pretty light. They just look bigger. Okay. Alright, turning the PC on. We're gonna see what these Royals look like. I'm gonna input some settings and see what we can do.